Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. So I'm sure you saw in the thumbnail the big box of, well, it's pretty big, of goodies, and it's like super heavy. So this is a couple of Boxycharm add-on orders. Yeah, and I scooped up several things to for you guys to put towards my 5K giveaway. I know, I'm so excited. I'm almost at 4,600, so I still have a little ways to go, but once I hit 5K, I am going to run the 5K giveaway. Or pretty much, you know, when I'm close. So please definitely stay tuned. Share me out. If you can, help me to get there so I can do this giveaway. And there's going to be 5 winners. So that's the plan. With that said, I want to go through some of these goodies I scooped up. And there are a few things I am keeping for myself that I did specifically get for myself. But the rest is going back to you guys. Either, obviously, in my 5K giveaway or, you know, one of my other giveaways that I run. So, yes, there is no sponsor. I bought all this stuff with my own money. But there were such great deals. And in addition to that, y'all, this past add-ons or Popup, I can never remember which is which. Because in July, Boxycharm is doing the ABH takeover box with the Norvina palettes, 1 in 3. Y'all, I scooped up 1 of each on my order, specifically to give back to you guys. So, yeah, I'm excited about that too. Okay, let's get into this. I'm not going to go too crazy in detail about the products because there's a lot to go over. But, so I did scoop up a couple Morphe brushes. These are decent brushes. I just, you know, I don't buy them very often. I've had luck with some of them, but not others. This one is kind of like a, well, okay, I thought it was going to be like a foundation brush, but it's a little softer and flimsier than I thought it was going to be, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to use it for now. And then I grabbed this one, which is kind of like a dome. And again, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. Might be good under, or like here. I don't know. We'll see. And then, like, I'm obsessed with eye creams just because of my age and the wrinkling and stuff like that. So, when I see something kind of new or good, I try to scoop it up. This is from Able Skincare, and it's a 3-in-1 glycolic acid molecular boost eye serum. There we go. The glare's picking that up. I did scoop that up to try. And then I scooped this up to try. It's from Julep Cosmetics. And it's Eye Care 101 Prime and Refresh Stick. So, yeah, I'm curious to try that one. Because I like an under eye primer too. And I've been using the Smashbox under eye primer. And actually, I really like it. But, we'll see. And then I picked up a set of these Moxie Lash Q-tips. They have a, they're pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs. So you can use these to help take off the magnetic liner and stuff like that when you do fake lashes. And the, I think it'll work for glue. But, okay. Now, I'm diving into the box of stuff. Here is one of the things for the giveaway. And it is the Morphe 9S So Chill palette. It is a 9-pan palette. And those are the colors. So you got some neutrals, blue, black, stuff like that. And then I picked up the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose palette. And I love this one, y'all. Here are the colors on that one. So, this is a super pretty palette. And then I got the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. Really pretty. Outside, here is the inside. Isn't that so pretty? Whoops, the plastic is coming off. I know we got this a while back in our box, but I saw that a lot of people really liked it, so I scooped up another one. Oh, and one other thing I did get for myself is from Amika, and it's the Silken Up Dry Conditioner. And I use not only dry shampoo, but dry conditioners. A lot of these work amazing. And it, when you put dry shampoo in your hair, a lot of times I get like a lot of flyaways and it dries a little bit much. But the dry conditioner actually helps to put the moisture back in your hair without it looking greasy. So, okay. Now, another palette, going back to one of you guys, is this. It's the Pinky Rose Pro Artistry 30-pan palette. And this is the Runway palette. Ooh, glare. Okay. It's got a really nice mirror in it. And then, y'all, look at those colors, right? I thought this was so pretty. And then the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Rustic Rose palette. Isn't that so pretty? Again, another nice mirror. And then here are the colors on that one. And then another Pinky Rose palette. And this is the Pink Paradise palette. Look. These were so pretty. I was so impressed when I got these. Okay, and then there's still a couple more things. I did pick up an extra Lorac palette. Lorac? I don't know. The Unzipped, Unfiltered palette. This is what she looks like. And again, a really nice little mirror. And you get a brush with it. And those are the colors. Isn't that pretty? So I did get one of these in one of my boxes this month in June. So I do have two of them that a couple of you will be getting. Then I picked up the Violet Voss Pinky Promise palette. I've got the Olive View palette, and oh, y'all, I absolutely love it. So, another nice mirror. And there, look at those flippin' colors. Not quite as many pinks as I thought there'd be, but that's okay. Violet Voss has got really, really nice formula. And then, last but not least, I got a couple more things that I initially got for myself. but I'm still undecided. There's a couple of I may put in the giveaway. Not sure yet. I did from, they had doll 10 products in Popup or add-ons, whatever it was. I love doll 10. It is an amazing, amazing makeup brand, and their formulas are amazing, awesome. And this is an Overachiever brow pencil. I've used it and it works pretty good. I do like it. And then, okay, this one is another one from doll 10. It is the Glam Goddess Face and Eye Palette. Now, I have a doll 10 face palette that I literally use every day. It's got contour, bronzer, blush, and then a matte white to help kind of highlight and define. But here is that face palette. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's a really nice metal case, so it keeps everything safe for travel. It's got an amazing mirror. And then, look. Isn't that so pretty? So you got highlighter, blush, and then all of these eyeshadows. So, like I said, I did originally get this for myself because I do love their products so much. I've just got to go through some of my own stuff and really decide if I need it. Okay, and then the other one I scooped up is the doll 10 REFOCUS Skin Illuminating Palette. And again, super pretty packaging. Another metal case. Great mirror. And look, isn't that nice? So pretty. So yeah, you got highlighter, bronzer, or contour, and a blush. Okay. I think that's everything. Yeah, no, it's a little bit. And I do have a bunch of other stuff already that I've been collecting. So, as I continue going through it and deciding what's going in my regular giveaways and what's going to go towards my 5K, I may or may not do another update video. We'll see. But, so what do you think? Did I go overboard? I'm just really excited. Y'all know me. I love doing my giveaways and giving back to you guys. And this is just one more way to spoil you a little bit and show my appreciation. So, let me know down below, what was your favorite product? What would you like really hope to get? Put it down in the comments. I want to know. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me for a little bit during another one of my videos. Like I said, I do appreciate you so much. And if you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button and help me continue on my road to 5K. Not to mention that it helps my channel out so much. So, thank you. All right, love you guys bunches. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.